Ya kini ke Jingrakhe ban Plie ya ke Jubili Ksiar jong ke ICAR for North Eastern Hill Region la Plie ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya CH Vijaya Shankar kumukongsan. Ha ke Don lang Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng bakmi ya ke tnad ki Kamrep Shivraj Singh Chauhan Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ba nagaliang ke Presiden Kari ke Draupadi Murmu ke Shim benta lengba ke rensan internet. Bat klero ke jing senyang jong ke ICAR ban kyntiew ke Kamrep bat kipat riu luam ke tanj dalam mini jokeri. Ulat ke Jylla ulero ke jing trishtom ke ICAR ke belapan kelador ke Riang Riang bat ki benta bedai bat ki Kamrep akan ke tanj dalam mini. Bat ulapan pau ke jing don kam jong ki skim ki bubun ki belapannya ke Kesorkar Pedeng dan ke benta ke jing bahaj ki nongrep. Ulat ulapan jorru ya ke jing don kam bat soalang ya ki rukom rep tenrai bat ki kor ki bor ki bamenta ban penti kenai ke jing roy ke bane bat ban kyntiew ke Kamrep ke baklam ai dawai. Shivraj Singh Chauhan ulapan pau ke jing kut jingmut jong Sarkar India ban penkela ya ke rep ke Riang leng baki skim ki bakongsan. Bat ban pelit jingmut kerpang na ke benta katan dalam mini. Na kaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bagatan dalam mini kala bendai ke Jakap Pedeng haga kam penmijur. Di marep ki bampenan kam dawai utit shinrai using bat kangap agari. Andrai na kajing bambiang kitiar gitar bagi jing dan kam kongsan kam syemlala ban penan kampura bat ban penya job ha ya ki mar ki baga penmi. Ula banjur ke jing dan kam menetrelang ha preng ka ICAR bat ki bor sorkar ban wanra ki but rap kat kum ke jing wat banya kenang bagi nong rap ken la ban kun persya ki kenang jing pang bat ki wei ki jing e.
It's a great honor and a privilege to join you today at the ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Umia as we celebrate 50 years of dedicated service to the northeastern states of India. Since its inception in 1975, this institution has been a torchbearer of agriculture, innovation, addressing the unique challenges of our region, and ICAR has developed over 100 crop varieties, introduced high-yielding livestock breeds, and promoted sustainable practices such as integrated and organic farming. These efforts have enhanced food security, conserved biodiversity, and empowered farmers with cutting-edge technologies. The global recognition of ICAR's integrated organic farming system models further underscores its leadership in sustainable agriculture and rural development. On this momentous occasion, I commend the outstanding contributions of ICAR's scientists, researchers, and staff.
Always you have to keep one thing in the mind. If at all you are able to get pure air and pure water, even in this given situation, if at all you are supposed to get pure air and pure water, you keep in mind the first place goes to Meghalaya and Northeast. And second thing, I have to bring it to your notice. If at all you feel the hub of medicinal plants, the hub of Ayurveda, I am so proud to say, if at all you feel you have to find a hub of Ayurveda, in that way also first place goes to Northeast, particularly Meghalaya. That too particularly Meghalaya is being treated as a hub of Ayurveda, hub of medicinal plants. Surajji, as you know, I am from Karnataka. We also used to grow turmeric in our area. That too, particularly I am from Mysore. In our area, we used to grow turmeric. But whereas in case of our area, whatever turmeric we used to grow, the curcumin ratio, it is only 3.7, maximum 4.2. But whereas here in case of Meghalaya, I am proud to say the curcumin ratio of Meghalaya is 8.7 up to 8.9. Highest in the country highest in the country. Not only turmeric, you take entire northeast, either turmeric, ginger, that too particularly in Meghalaya, black rice, white rice, many of the other products we can point out here. In that way, whatever decision you have taken today, if at all you are going to take it personally, you take it personally, particularly Northeast, that too particularly farming committee, they remain ever grateful to you people. We remain grateful to you forever. Not only agriculture, in case of tourism, if at all you are supposed to say a hub of tourism, in that way also first prize goes to Meghalaya. First prize goes to Meghalaya. It is a hub of tourism. It is a hub of medicinal plants. It is a hub of Ayurveda. So in that way, you have to concentrate much. Here, particularly Northeast,